Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. How's it going, Shelby?
It's going good. It's going good. How about you?
That wasn't convincing.
Well, I'm tired.
Okay, that's fair.
Okay.
How's your energy patch? We have like energy patches. It's like energy. Babes.
Actually, it's helping, I think.
Yeah, good.
I was a little skeptical.
No, everyone is, but I'm telling you,
I think
these
it's
patches
helped.
are amazing.
Yeah.
But we're not here to talk patches today. We're here to talk professional singers. And this one
Dimash.
today, Dimash, one of the best on the planet. You guys are freakishly fanatic about him, and we love that. So this is going to be a new one. Before we get to this video, though, I want you to hit that subscribe button. Bum, bum, bum. And follow us over on the Patreons, because we do more over there. There'll be some bonus footage of this reaction on the Patreon, so go sign up there and do that.
The extra special footage.
Extra special. Shall we smoke?
We shall smoke. I don't really
We're
smoke,
not really,
though,
we don't really smoke. We're vocal coaches, we don't smoke. Not that we do everything great for our voices, but we don't smoke. Actually, side note before we get there, smoking is the worst thing you can do for your voice as a singer.
I agree.
You know what number 2 is?
Not warming up or cooling down after a show.
Nah.
Not training with
Nah.
not sleeping enough. Eating crappy.
No, but it's got to do with that. Eating affects this. Smoke's the number 1. Number 2, deadliest killer for the vocals.
Oh, snakes.
Yes. No. No. You got me on that. Reflux.
Oh, yeah.
Controllable, but not always.
It's magical. It's also hard. But
Speaking
anyway,
of magical, so is Dimash's voice. Shall we get to it?
we shall.
All right, smoke it up. Here we go, Dimash.
Can't stop the heat in my veins.
Ooh.
But what is my DNA can't hold me. Feels like the world is my stage. And I'm out here making waves for glory. I'm from the rumors I heard. Don't get too close, baby, you could get burned. My cloud is ready to go. Don't play with the fire, ready for the smoke.
Wasn't ready. Like way up there.
Yeah. Whoa. That was cool.
Well, he can do a lot of things with his voice.
I am the bullet who'll never miss you. I love to cross all the lines. Yeah, that means that I'll double cross you. Lock loaded, ready to go. Don't play with the fire, ready for the smoke.
He even went higher.
Yeah. I mean, that is his whistle.
Yeah.
There.
On cue.
You know I'm not making a close because I whisper to break them all. It's the only truth that I tell you right to your face. Yeah, I'm running out here and
I feel like I need a red suit in my wardrobe.
Yeah, you're right. He's doing that laying down.
Well, it is a music video.
That's true. Did he go higher again?
Yeah, the second O phrase, he goes significantly higher.
Yes, Dimash.
Nice.
Talk to us, Shelby.
Well, he's got quite the range. Quite the range. I mean, from the very first phrase, the opening phrase, the first like 2 words, he does something very nuanced with his voice that was incredibly accurate and light and but low and super compelling. That can't stop the heat in my veins. And he flips into the veins.
I didn't even pick up on that the first time.
It's sexy.
That is sexy.
And then that insane head voice and whistle voice.
His range is just nuts.
Yeah.
That's, again, what separates him from 99.999% of the singers on the planet.
Yeah.
Like the agility, the range, his flexibility, and his finesse to do it. Like, it's just like a phrase that's, you know, I don't know, it's a common phrase, but in the States we can say, like, you do it on a dime. I don't know what that comes from.
Like quick.
It's just quick. It's like
anytime you whip
it's
it
like
out.
You're
like my husband. He's I can't say nothing without him being like, that's what she said. I'm like, you're just waiting for these moments.
Listen, I don't know what you and your husband do on the daily, but that's between y'all, not in this camera show channel thing that we got going here. But yes, he can whip it out in a split second. That's why he's got so many fans.
Terrible.
Horrible. Horribly fun and funny, if we will. Yeah, I mean, I would love to talk to Dimash and I would love to know more
Dimash,
about him and his story.
Can we talk to you, please?
Yeah, apparently.
Would you like to join us?
He wants to talk to us. I mean, it's like, it's word on the streets.
Let's make it happen.
No. Yeah, just an amazing artist. We know you guys love him. We obviously keep reacting to his videos because we are completely and continuously floored by his abilities.
Yeah.
Just a freak nature of a singer. And, you know, it's people like him that I think about him. I think of there's a Christian singer named David Phelps. You stop and you wonder, do they have any vocal flaws? Because it seems like they don't. But I have to step back and be like, they're human, so they obviously have off days. But wow, to be in that space all the time,
right?
You know, pretty epically.
But also, it's because they've put in the work. They've trained like major professional athletes have to train in order to get that good.
Totally, and we'll probably get some hate from that comment because anytime there's this pride ego thing out there. I'm just gonna call it for what it is, you guys, and you can hit us head on with your comments.
Controversial opinion.
People like to think that if you have a great voice and you don't work on it or study it, that's a badge of honor.
Oh yeah,
Tell that to your chef.
Tell
that to your doctor. Tell that down the list of everything you love about life that you want people to be your flight pilots. You don't want them to train and be good at it. If you're a singer out there and you want to be a great singer, work it, train it. It's a freaking muscle and you are human. And there is nothing dishonorable or joking about that.
No, and the greatest of the great singers know this.
Yes.
I mean, insert Celine Dion into this conversation. The way that
I wish we could insert her right here.
Oh my gosh. You would too. I would weep.
We would just cry.
I would weep.
We would die. We would cry and
but
then
the
we
way
would die.
she cares for her voice and is so intentional is like, I mean, she's just on another level.
She's another level.
She's playing an entirely different game.
And she gets it. Yeah.
She is.
And we ain't playing games around here, you guys. We helping people sing great.
Yep.
And we're having fun reacting to these videos. So until next time, hope you enjoyed this Dimash video. Shelby, great to be with you as always.
Great to be with you too, Jason.
I am Jason Catron.
I'm Shelby Rock.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.